Welcome to the NEF Design Drafting Competition. We are happy you have decided to teach or sponsor students in this one-of-a-kind career exploration opportunity. Since the 2022-2023 competition, NEF has partnered with Procore to add another educational opportunity to the design drafting competition. This may feel like being handed some blueprints. You know everything you need is in there somewhere, but the layout takes some getting used to reading. This video shows you how to use Procore while participating in the NEF Design Drafting Program. NEF's partnership with Procore allows us to deliver the competition materials on a document management platform you'd find on a real building project. Many owners, architects, and contractors have turned to Procore to solve their document management needs. The whole point is to give students hands-on exposure to industry-standard software before they ever set foot on a project. And, on top of that, to let them earn free certifications they can add to their resumes. For a high school or college student trying to break into the trades, design, or management fields, that kind of credential matters more than people give it credit for. We are appreciative of Procore's generosity in providing NEF with an educational site for design drafting and our current professional development certificate program, the Construction Drawings Professional. So where do you start? Registration comes first, and this is the part that catches people off guard. You must register every single year, even if you participated in last season. Visit the NEF website at the address below, follow the QR code or link, and fill out the form. Submitting the form does not give you immediate access. Your contact information is delivered to our national chair for processing and giving you permissions in Procore. You can expect to wait 24 to 48 hours for the Design Drafting National Chair to process the request. If a full week passes without a response, reach out directly at nawicedu@gmail.com. Your actual entry into the platform will come via a separate email invitation from Procore itself, so watch your inbox carefully. Once that invitation arrives, open the email titled, "You've been invited to the Design Drafting Competition in Procore." Then click Accept Invitation. New users will create a password at that point. If you already have a Procore account from other work or previous competition years, just use those existing credentials. After logging in, select NEF Education Foundation from the company list. From the portfolio dashboard, click on the current year's design drafting project. On the home page, click on the Home drop-down and select Documents. Everything you need lives inside the Documents tool. Competition guidelines, forms, reference materials, all of it organized in a folder structure. If you are an instructor or sponsor, this will be the only area you need to access while in Procore. While you are free to roam around the Procore site, you will not need to use the other tools. If you would like to access the free Procore certificate training options, please click the question mark, circled above, to view the available training opportunities. Project submission is simple and will not involve Procore. If you are sponsoring students through a NEF chapter, your chapter chair will work with the regional chair to submit to the chapter's first-place winners. From there, the regional chair will coordinate with the national chair to submit to the regional first-place winner through a Procore link. If you are sponsoring independently and are not affiliated with a NEF chapter, the national chair will send you a specific link to submit your first-place winner directly through the Procore platform. Another video will be shared with the regional chairs and sponsors as the deadline date approaches. For any other questions, please contact nawicedu@gmail.com. Good luck to all the students.